This X AUTOHAUX 3.5-inch exhaust elbow set provides four matching 45-degree bends that make routing a custom exhaust much easier and cleaner than trying to work with straight pipe alone. The tubes are formed from SS304 stainless steel, so they resist corrosion and handle the heat and pressure of a modified exhaust far better than mild steel alternatives. Each elbow has a consistent wall thickness and smooth interior that help maintain exhaust flow, which can support better performance and reduce unwanted turbulence or restriction. The ends are beaded to give clamps something solid to bite on, improving sealing and making slip-fit connections more secure during hard driving or track use. Because the dimensions follow common aftermarket sizing, these elbows work well for a wide range of custom builds, from turbo downpipes to catback systems, as long as the installer verifies measurements in advance. The overall fit and finish are tidy enough that, once welded and polished, the pieces look at home in a professional quality exhaust system.